Hello everybody, this is Graphic Tools Lab. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this paper cut image by using Photoshop. Before I get started, I just want to say, if you want more of tutorials, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, or comment and subscribe. That's very encouraging. Okay then, let's get started. I made document and text already. Activate Paint Bucket tool. Open Color Picker. Press Color Name. Change the background color. Select Text Layer. Press T to open Text tool. Let's change the color. Open Ellipse tool. Change the color of fill. Press Ctrl J to duplicate layer. Select below layer. Let's open blending options by right-clicking. Go to Drop Shadow. The blending mode is Multiply. The opacity is 40%. The distance is 0 pixel. The spread is 30%. And press 40 pixels for size. Rasterize layer style by right-clicking. Press E to open eraser tool. I'm gonna use this soft round pressure size because it has feather function. Drag to erase shadow. Create a new layer. Change color to black by press D. Activate Paint Bucket tool. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Select Texturizer. Choose the sandstone. Press 88 for scaling. The relief is 8. Hit OK. Go to blending mode, select screen mode. Change the opacity to 70%. Okay, we have done. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So that's all for Tools Lab. Utilize what you learned and make awesome graphics. Please keep an eye on more videos to come. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.